Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. Today we're going to explore another feature in Usermaven, and that is journeys. Journeys help you visualize the paths users take across your website or product. This allows you to understand how users navigate between pages, what actions they take, and where they drop off. Let's take a look at how it works. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Journeys. From here, click on the plus icon to create a new journey. You'll now see the new journey setup screen. First, give your journey a name. For this example, we'll name it After Homepage Visits. You can also add a description if you'd like. For example, what users have done after visiting the homepage. This step is optional. Next, choose the journey flow. You have two options here. You can visualize what users did after performing an event, or you can visualize what users did before performing an event. In this example, we'll select After Performing an Event, since we want to see what users do after landing on the homepage. Now select the event or page URL that will act as the starting point of the journey. You can choose between Page URL Event Pinned Event. For this example, we'll select Page URL and then enter the homepage URL. Next, choose your path type. You have two options here. You can select session-based paths, which track the journey within a single user session, or user-based paths, which track user behavior across multiple sessions. For this example, we'll select session-based paths. Next is pinned events. If you enable Include Pinned Events, you'll be able to see key actions that you've marked as pinned events alongside automatically captured events. This helps highlight important actions such as signups, purchases, CTA clicks, or other key interactions. Next, let's look at grouping. You can enable Ignore Query Parameters so that URLs with tracking parameters are grouped together as the same page. You can also use Group with regex. This allows you to group multiple events or URLs under a single alias using regular expressions. Next, you can optionally exclude certain events or page URLs. Simply click Add Exclusion Condition and select the page URL, event, or pinned event you want to exclude from the journey analysis. Once everything is configured, click Create to generate the journey. Now your journey visualization will appear. At the top, you'll see the sunburst view, which displays how users move from the starting point to different pages and actions. You can also switch to the Sankey view, which shows the flow of users between steps in a more linear format. You can adjust the interactive depth level to control how many steps of the journey you want to visualize. If you click on any path, you'll be able to see detailed information such as number of users, percentage of users, drop-off rates, and the actions taken at each step. Scrolling down, you'll also find a tabular breakdown of the journey paths. Here you can see the most commonly taken paths, completion rates, average time between steps, and the number of users moving through each stage. You can also filter your journey by segments. Simply click Filter by Segment and select any segment you've created in your Contact Hub. You can also adjust the date range to analyze journeys over different time periods. For example, last 30 days, last quarter, last 6 or 12 months, or a custom date range. If you'd like to automate reporting, you can click Schedule Report. Start by giving the report a name. Then select the journey you want to include. Choose the frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, and add the email recipients. Once you click Create Report, Usermaven will automatically send the report according to your selected schedule. And if you'd like automated insights, simply click on AI-powered insights. This will analyze the journey for you and generate useful insights about user behavior and patterns. And that wraps up everything you need to know about creating and analyzing journeys in Usermaven. Thanks for watching, and start exploring your user journeys today to better understand behavior, uncover drop-offs, and optimize your user experience.